Thanks, Daniel. A 16-member West Indies Academy squad has departed the region for a reciprocal tour of Sri Lanka from June 3 to 27, where the team will face the Sri Lanka emerging players in a multi-format series. It follows the visit by the Sri Lanka emerging team to Antigua in 2025, where the sides competed in 2 4-day matches, which ended 1 game apiece, and 3 one-day matches, with the Academy coming out on top 2-1. With Akeem Agist being selected for the West Indies senior team and Carlin Bowen-Tuckett being unavailable due to personal reasons, emerging players Kevlin Anderson, Shakir Paris and Johan Jeremiah have also been included. Once again, consisting of 2 4-day and 3 50-over matches, this tour represents another significant investment in the development of the next generation of West Indies cricketers, offering players the opportunity to gain valuable overseas experience and adapt to challenging subcontinental conditions against quality opposition. The squad will travel to Hambantota for the 4-day series before moving to Colombo for the white ball leg of the tour. The 4-day series bowls off on June 8.